Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Google Bard. WTF. Don't know if you've had a chance to use it yet. Google Bard? More like Google Barf. I mean, it's okay. It's just not great. There are probably reasons why, and I've got my perspective. One, I think Google's playing it safe. They're being conservative with this. Hey, more power to them. They got a big brand to protect. But the problem is that they're playing it safe. And it feels like a safe tool. And even as a safe tool, it's not as impressive as, let's say, Bing Chat, powered by ChatGPT. So they're just not really impressing a lot of people. It's not that great. And the problem is, not only is it not that great on its own, especially when you compare it to something like ChatGPT or Bing Chat or whatever alternative that's powered by ChatGPT. It just pales by comparison. They're already making moves to change the large language model that they use to make it more competitive. But again, by comparison, it just does not look good. Or I should say, it looks worse than it actually probably is. The third reason I believe that Google Bard is not really what we might want it to be or might expect it to be coming from Google is that Google probably didn't know what we wanted. Google probably didn't even know what it wanted, right? Because we didn't even know what we wanted until we saw ChatGPT. And now that we have ChatGPT, it's like ChatGPT and everything else. And oh my God, could we come up with a better name than ChatGPT? It'd be so helpful because that's just a mouthful.